Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to change the keyboard in your Lenovo. And this is the model, Lenovo Ideapad 100. I will show you at the back this model. And okay, at the back we have 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3 with a logo of keyboard here. Yeah, that's it. And you have to unscrew these 3 screws here. Yep. We have unscrews these 3 screws over here. Okay, I removed these 3 screws over here. Next, open your laptop and try to lift up from the from your laptop. There is be a few holding there. That's it baby. I just lift up the keyboard here with one hand. Yep, I do it only with one hand. So it's very easy, I think, for you. So you easily remove your keyboard and you can buy a new keyboard and spare a new keyboard right here. You're gonna be lift up this small flex here, remove it. As you see, this is the flex. Now you have to buy a new keyboard, which is this the model, and just easily place it in the same way by pressing the flex into the hole here and attach it to your laptop. And at the last time, get these 3 screws and put it here over there. 1, 2, 3. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.